What's up, guys? Jaxel here. If you follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/8wayrun, you may have seen me post this video earlier today. I'm sorry, not video, picture earlier today of my new toy I just got from Elgato Gaming. This is their Stream Deck. It's basically a hotkeyer device. It just you push buttons, it sends out hotkeys, and you do stuff with it. Now, I think it's $150 on Amazon. I don't remember. I pre-ordered it a long time ago, so I don't know. But it finally came in this morning. I've been messing around with it, just putting a short video together showing how it works, some of the simpler things in it, and how I use it, or I will be using it with my system. Anyways, this is just a picture, so let's exit out of that. There we go. And let's go over a short recap of how my personal streaming system works. I have Scoreboard Assistant, which is a program I wrote, which you can find for the cost of a single penny at obsproject.com. Obsproject.com. There you go, and you could find the program here, some videos on it, and how it works. Anyways, moving on. We have my application. I have it running through WebSockets. So I'll do things like let's go KDZ versus shock, and I'm going to click save, and you're going to see the information on the top bar updates. So I can do score up, click save, scores will get updated. You know, nice, very convenient scoreboard program I wrote for the fighting game community, and it's it works for what I do, and so I'm going to show how this integrates with the Stream Deck. So let's minimize that. And let's minimize that as well. And I'm going to bring up the Stream Deck application. Uh, after you unbox it, of course, you're going to get your Stream Deck. It's very nice. It's got the buttons. These buttons, they change. You know what? This is kind of overexposed. Let me fix that image. There we go, much better. No longer overexposed. You can see the buttons. I have two XSplit buttons, one for my main functions and one for my uh, administrative functions. Do things like that starts a broadcast, that starts a recording, this starts my Blackmagic decklink output, and as you can see, when you uncheck things, they light up and they light down. Right now, it's not actually doing anything because they're linked up to XSplit, and I don't have XSplit running on my computer right now, so it doesn't do anything. And I did it on purpose just for the point of this video. Anyways, okay, let's go back to my computer. There we go. Now I have the Stream Deck application, and this is basically how you uh, do your custom buttons and things. Let's back up. There we go. And I have my two buttons. These are actually folders. You can set icons from them. I have a folder of icons that I've been making all day so that things look nice. We have my XSplit button. Uh, and basically all these buttons are just hotkeys. So if I were to click this button, Shift, it will activate the Shift plus F4 hotkey. This button is Control plus F7, just hotkeys. On the right side, you can see things that it's built in to work with, game capture, because it's an Elgato product, TippyStream, OBS, Twitter, Twitch, and of course basic system stuff. You'll notice XSplit is not listed in it. That's because XSplit uses hotkeys. I don't believe there's an open API for XSplit for built-in other stuff. I'm not sure, but maybe there is. I've never really looked into it. Let's back up one. What I have up here, this purple button, that is the Twitch viewers icon. Basically, when I'm live streaming, this icon will be updated with a number over on top of it, and the number will show how many people are watching on Twitch. Um, one of the things I'm waiting for is for Elgato to release their programming documents for Stream Deck so I can start writing my own buttons in, because I would like some buttons that serve other purposes with numbers and maybe text information on it. For instance, let's go to my XSplit panel. And if I click up right here, let's let's show this working here. All right, you're going to see the scores are 0 to 1. I'm going to click up right here, and you'll notice it just updated the score. And every time I do that, if you look at Scoreboard Assistant down here, you'll see things move. See, there you go. And then, of course, I could keep on doing that. I can mash the buttons a bit. It's not gonna number's not gonna be accurate because it's going to keep on updating. There we go, 5-8. And that's very simple stuff. But I would like if the numbers actually showed on the Stream Deck itself. Like if I could have move the up buttons up and then have numbers underneath them that show what the current score is, that would be nice. Can't do that yet because, as I said, there are no programming documents for Stream Deck. Hopefully, that will be available in the future so I can control that kind of stuff. But as I said, these are all hotkeys. More advanced stuff you can't do yet without those docks, but you can do simple integrations for stuff that's already available. Now, one of the things you're probably wondering is how I managed to get these hotkeys working for Scoreboard Assistant. The XSplit buttons are pretty simple because XSplit already supports hotkeys. Scoreboard Assistant does not. Scoreboard Assistant really can't support hotkeys because of how variable and modular the system is. It would just be very cumbersome to handle the hotkeys. So the way I'm doing it is through a different program called Auto Hotkey. So if you go to autohotkey.com, you'll be able to download this product. I'm sorry, this software, and it's free. It's very lightweight. It won't add anything issues to your computer, and it just runs into the background. All it is scripting software for your computer. And let me bring up the script I'm running on it. There we go. And this is the entirety of my AutoHotkey script. I've kept it very simple. First thing it's going to do, the name is xsplit.ahk. Anything with the AHK extension will be read as an AutoHotkey script, which is right down here, and I could reload the script. Script not found. You know what? It's because I moved it. So let's Stream Deck. Let's reactivate that script. There we go. Let's exit that one. Let's exit them both. There we go. All right. Now, if I open it up, you can see I'll push a button, and let's go back to Auto Hotkey and click refresh. You can see, hey, it read that this was activated, and the 3 clicks that I have programmed in, where did it go? Oh yeah, I have to open it. Edit the script, and those 3 clicks are programmed in. So, okay, simple script. Let me explain how it works. If the window exists, if win exists, ahk.exe. It's basically saying look for an exe, and we're going to look for the exe called Scoreboard Assistant. If Scoreboard Assistant is running, Shift plus F1 should activate this routine and then return. This is Shift plus F2, Shift plus F3, Shift plus F4, Shift plus F12. Let's go over Shift plus F1. First thing it's going to do is activate the window for Scoreboard Assistant. Basically, it means I'm going to make the Scoreboard Assistant program the active window, which is why if I click the button right now, it becomes the focused window. Then I'm going to mouse click the left mouse button 250 pixels across, which is the distance from here to here, 45 pixels down, which is right here. So it's going to click right here. It's going to click only once, and then it's going to immediately, without any delay, jump to the next step, which is click a different spot right here, and then the next step, which is click a different spot, which is right here. So let's slow it down a bit. Let's make it so it delays, and let's reload that script. There we go. And now I'm going to click the button again and watch the mouse cursor. First thing it's going to do is jump. There you go. See? Let's slow it down a bit more so it's easier to see. Reload. And it does all that without me putting anything. It automatically clicks the appropriate buttons on the screen, well, on the program. And, that's very convenient. It's a way to make your own automatic, I guess, your automatic macros. And so let's reload it again. All right. And you can see it hits those buttons very quickly. And that's pretty much how I'm going to be using it, at least on this panel. So this is my panel I'm going to be using for the tournaments. I have the buttons to switch all the relevant scenes that we use at the break. I made some nice icons for it, color code and everything. And this page is kind of empty for now because, as I said, I'm waiting for those docs so I can add some more complicated functions to this. Anyways, I think you guys should definitely check this product out. It's still new. I think it technically came out this week. So I'm very much hoping to see where it goes and what Elgato can do to improve the product, because right now it's very limited, but hopefully it won't stay that way forever. Anyways, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.